Today we're going to be taking a look at 5 houses for sale in Clarendon. House number 1. This is a 8-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Four Paths, Clarendon. The size of this house is 8,000 square feet and is currently on the market for 36 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Now this house has 2 kitchens, so first we have kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2. For the living and dining area, there were no images provided. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Out of 8 bedrooms, only 3 were shown. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 5 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. Lastly, we have the balcony. And from here, we're going to move on to house number 2. This 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is found on West Park Avenue in Maypen, Clarendon. The square footage of this house is 3,500 square feet and it's currently listed for 38 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. First, we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. From this image, you can see kitchen number 1. Next is kitchen number 2. And followed by that, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. This house has 5 bedrooms, however only 3 were shown. We then move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. Out of 4 bathrooms, 3 were shown. As we end the images for house number 2, we move right along to house number 3. This is a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house found in Tollgate, Clarendon. The square footage of this house is 4,500 square feet and it's currently on the market for 40 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is living area number 1. Dining area number 1. And followed by that is the second living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. And we then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, only 2 were shown. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 6 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. We then move from here to the balcony. And that will be the end of the tour for house number 3. House number 4. This 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is found on Jackson Crescent in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is 3,500 square feet and it's been sold for $235,000 US. Let's go and take a closer look. First, we have the living area. And next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. This house has 5 bedrooms, however only 3 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. Followed by that is the balcony. And then we're going to move from here and head on the outside. That will then end the tour for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found on Jackson Crescent in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this lot is 7,656 square feet and it's on the market for 25 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the living area. Dining area. And next is the kitchen. We then have the bathroom. This house has 2 bathrooms, however only 1 was shown. For the bedrooms, there were no images provided. However, this house does have 4 bedrooms in all. That will then end the tour for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So if any of the houses caught your attention, I'll be leaving all the information for the realtors and the links for the houses down in the description box. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.